A nail biter in Florida.
Yeah, so take a look here. Let's start on the governor's side here. The difference, you can see it is 90,000 votes. We just want to take you through again. The Democrat Andrew Gillum, 90,000 votes behind right now. Where is the outstanding vote for Democrats? There are two places we're really talking about here. It is Broward and Miami-Dade. These are the two places where Gillum, he's running very strongly. There's a lot of vote left. Again, our estimate here has been, and this is an estimate, so this is subject to a little bit of change here, but our estimate has been about 630,000 will end up being the final vote count out of Broward. We may get somewhere closer to 900,000 out of Miami-Dade. If we use those two estimates and we put Gillum at the current rate he's getting, he may be able to get a 60,000 vote or so plurality out of these two counties. So again, if you're down, basically 90,000 votes statewide, that would eat into it. Now, in terms of the Republican side, though, go up to the Panhandle, and you can find a couple places here. They're smaller, but they're places where DeSantis, you can see here, for instance, Bay County, DeSantis winning by a better than 2-to-1 margin. There is still vote to come in there. You can go to Calhoun County. DeSantis is going to win this by a huge margin. Still plenty of vote to come in there. So the Democrats have some big, densely populated areas with a lot of votes, and Gillum can make up a lot of the ground there. But there are around the state scatterings of precincts and big chunks of these smaller Republican counties where DeSantis will be able to counter not all of that, but some of that. And when he goes in 90,000 votes ahead, that's worth keeping in mind. Also on the Senate side, you could see the margin 58,000 here for Rick Scott over Bill Nelson. Keep in mind the basic turnout math I just took you through right there. Nelson maybe right now a little bit closer than Gillum in this thing.
Steve Kornacki at the Big Board.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.